Nau mai, haere mai ki NZCL. At NZCL, we believe every person deserves the freedom to live life their way. Our mahi is about supporting tangata to live with choice, dignity, culture, and a strong sense of belonging. Pai ora mō tātou katoa. With aroha, manaakitanga, and respect, we work in partnership with the people we support and their whānau, always striving to uphold mana and deliver quality care. We believe in your potential. Whether you're beginning your journey or looking to grow, NZCL offers pathways to learn, gain qualifications, and move into new opportunities, while doing mahi that truly matters. We know how important whānau and balance are. That's why we offer opportunities that can work alongside your lifestyle and commitments, while keeping your mahi meaningful and rewarding. Bring your heart, bring your culture, bring your courage. Haere mai ki NZCL, haere tonu tātou.